एवरीवन दिस वीडियो आपने टाइटल पढ़ा होगा और आपने सोचा होगा कि मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ, बट पर्सनली आई फील कि आजकल ऑनलाइन का इतना यू आर डूइंग वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, ऑफ कोर्स यू आर डूइंग ऑल योर मीटिंग्स ऑनलाइन, यू आर अटेंडिंग टू योर किड्स जूम क्लासेस, यू आर अटेंडिंग योगा क्लासेस थ्रू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स. सो वो मुझे लगता है कि sometimes for most of the things I know we can really go easy on ourselves. Personally, I feel for your formal meetings you do need a little bit of makeup on your skin, or you want to look a certain way. And if you see, my biggest inspiration are these news channel, all the news reporters. I mean, they are so well dressed, they all have such good makeup. Obviously the minimalistic makeup, they're not looking loud and out of the place, but they're looking so good, like so presentable. So I personally feel there are few things which we can do within 10 minutes just to look presentable just before our important meeting. So let's get the video and I'll just show you quickly how do I go about getting ready for my online meetings. So मैंने एक्स्ट्रा हेयर रिमूव कर लिए हैं. क्विकली आई विल डू माई आईब्रोज एड लॉट्स टू योर फेस. एंड आई नो आजकल हमारे आईब्रोज दे आर नॉट and very neat, so we have to use an eyebrow pencil for sure. So just comb your eyebrows quickly like that. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows, and then once again I'll just brush it so that they look very natural. And it's time to do moisturize your lip properly. If you don't want to put a lipstick, put a nice maybe a lip balm which is a little bit of tint in it. Otherwise you can just put a regular lip balm, like I just put a Vaseline for now. Next thing is I can just put a compact on my face. You make sure that your skin is moisturized, should not look like dry patches hai. So मेरी skin moisturized hai, but personally if you have 1 minute, do moisturize the skin. Okay, so now you have kind of powdered your face. So हमारा एक neat canvas ready हो गया है. If you want, you can use the foundation also, but this is just a quick tip time kind of thing. You have to get ready a little bit faster. But personally, I can do my whole makeup within 10 minutes. So if you can do it. Most important thing is contouring. Okay, now you must be thinking कि contour की क्या ज़रूरत है? We are not going for a party look or something. But I just have to tell you one thing. I don't know whether you need it or don't need it. जब आप whenever you're in front of camera, you're talking to people on camera, your face look double the size of what you actually look like. So you need that little bit of contouring to get that proper shape of your face so that you look more presentable. So it's up to you, but I personally feel I would anytime do it, and it won't take too long. It will take less than a minute to just contour your face. I'll just quickly show you how will I contour my face. Okay, so ये मेरा Faces Canada का 3-in-1 palette है जो सबको पता है कि मेरे पास है. Just quickly I just pinch any fluffy brush, make a fish face and go. So look at it, that proper shape is there. So I mean, it does add. Rest is up to you. I would definitely do is comb my eyes again. Okay, now if you have little bit of pigmentation, you can just go with concealer. आप अपने spot correction करें और concealer को blend कर ले. But personally I feel if you put a 1 layer of compact, that's enough to create an impression on the camera. So मैंने बहुत ही normal, just a simple line of kohl in my waterline and simple line on my upper lid. That's it. Now you must be thinking कि eyeshadow important है. Eyeshadow actually important नहीं है, because if you put kohl in your eyes, it does make your eyes look good. But I personally feel अगर आप चाहें तो थोड़ा सा highlighter लेके, थोड़ा सा highlighter जो है उसको लेके अगर आप if you kind of little bit, it does create a lot. It gives you like really nice look. Just highlight your brow. That's it. That's it. That's one trick. Okay, that's one trick I want to tell you. It does make your eyes look brighter. You can put a little bit on your inner corner also, because it kinds of open up your eyes. Your eyes look brighter. You look as if you have put a lot of effort into makeup, which you have done within 5 minutes. So again, little bit of highlighting on the inner corner and on the brow bone actually lifts up your whole eye look. Your contouring is done. If you want, you can put a little bit blusher. Otherwise, you can skip the blusher, because that contour also adds a lot of color on your face. So you can skip the blusher. Rather, you can go for brighter lipstick. With mascara, I'm skipping the mascara because personally, on the camera, I don't think so. You can see that fluttering eyelashes. But yes, it does make your eyes look bigger. So do that if you want to. Otherwise, just go to your lips quickly, and I'm gonna put a little bit of bright lipstick. 24 is pretty nice and peppy. Otherwise, if you want to go for a little bit of a new lipstick also, depends what you are gonna wear. And what about your hair? My god, look at my hair. Okay, that comes to your rescue. Your dry shampoo. Just if you don't have a dry shampoo, I know it's because some people, I've just shared this secret, some people don't have it. It's okay, you can just put your head down, kind of do a back combing. That's the volume I have created in your hair. And after that, if you still think your hair is not in the best looking phase, like you have those oily hair going on, and personally it was never a planned meeting, so it couldn't do much. And personally, if you don't want an open hair look, you can go for a nice neat bun. This is a nice bun, like quick nice bun, I'm going to tell you. So you just have to, you can go for a center parting, you can go all flat. So I'll go for center parting like this. Okay, so now that is done. If your hair is sticking out, just take a little bit of water, because you know कि आपकी meeting 15-20 minutes या उससे ज़्यादा भी चलने वाली है, तो water will hold it. And otherwise, just use a gel. आप इस pony को बहुत, take a small, like a thin rubber band, okay, and take this hair, show from behind. Put a little bit of water or hair serum just to fix this baby hair. That's it for now. I am just going for a like quickly, so if you think you can carry this look, this is perfect. And last thing, this is a facial mist. This is a MAC Fix Plus. You must have heard of it. This is very, very famous among the makeup artists, but personally I feel just do your makeup, and you just have to spray it once on your face. That's it. It will bring that जो आपने पाउडर मेकअप लगाया है तो उसको थोड़ा मेल्ट करके it will make bright लगेगा, ज़्यादा shining लगेगा. So your face will look very, very bright, very, very the skin will look much brighter, glowy on the screen, and you will feel more confident, because if you spray it also once, you feel like, okay, this is like burst of energy. I don't know, I personally feel that. So use any facial spray once you're done with your makeup. Make sure it doesn't take off your makeup like this one doesn't. It's basically used to fix your makeup, so just spray it once it's done. It adds a little bit of that not the dryness, that the glow, that the nourished face kind of look to your face. It kind of adds that nourishment value kind of thing on your face. So personally I like it. I have done my makeup. I think this looks pretty good. This spray has really added a lot of shine on my face. And in the end, just pull on the blazer. I mean, blazer adds a lot of professional look to it. Make sure it's going with the contrast. I hope you like this video. I hope you share it with your friends and family. Do comment if you liked it. If you didn't like it, do comment also. Do let me know what you think I can add to this look. And enjoy this quarantine time. Enjoy your work. I mean, I'm just helping the way I can help you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. And it's free of cost. I don't know, I have to tell you this, but yes, there are no charges to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button. You'll get a notification when I post my next video. Take care. Bye.